Hey y'all, it's Julie. This is a continuation of 23.2. Look at number 5. A dosage of 4 milligrams or 400 micrograms of a drug in 500 milliliters of D5 normal saline is to infuse in 4 hours. The dosage range of the drug is 24 to 120 micrograms per kilogram per hour, and the child weighs 16.1 kilograms. The first thing they want to know is the dosage range per hour. So we have to multiply 24 and 120 by 16.1. So let's do that. 24 and 120 times 16.1 kilograms. And this is micrograms. So we're going to do the math. With your handy-dandy calculator, you're going to go 16.1 times 24. 386.4 micrograms. And then the high end would be 16.1 times 120. And that's going to be 1932 micrograms. All right. So this is our range. And look at here. We got it right. 386.4, 1932. We saved them. So then it wants to know the dosage infusing per hour. When it says dosage, it's talking about the milligrams or micrograms, not milliliters. So we have 4,000 micrograms. It's got to infuse over 4 hours. So if we do the total milligrams, 4,000 micrograms divided by 4 hours. You can do it like this. And then you take 4,000 divided by 4. It's going to be 1,000 micrograms per hour. 1,000 micrograms per hour. Okay, let's see if we saved them. Look, yeah, we saved them. 1,000 micrograms per hour. And then it wants to know for the assessment, is this within range? And yeah, it falls between 386.4 and 1932. So yeah, this is within the safe dose range. So the answer would be yeah. And look, normal range. You see that?